So, good morning everybody. Today I have got the top box on and I'm going into London. I'm going to Hackney. My mother-in-law needs some DIY help and I'm doing it, so I'm taking my tools in the top box. She lives in the London borough of Hackney. Interesting enough, today I saw they've put out a consultation on parking changes, where they are proposing to start charging motorcycles to park in Hackney. You read through the thing and you can tell there's not an awful lot of joined up thinking going on in there. It's such a muddle. Trying to discourage motorcycles because of the emissions, to cut down pollution and emissions, and then they're proposing to turn some of the solo motorcycle parking bays into mixed use. How does that make any sense? Because it would mean that cars can also park on the motorcycle bays. Which surely is just going to encourage more cars. And then they're going to make the permits. You have to get a permit to go on a motorcycle bay in Hackney, according to these proposals, and the permit's going to be based on emissions. How? Is it going to be the same stupid system as was used by the ULEZ, which is based on the Euro classification of the manufacturer, i.e. completely branding every single pre-Euro or pre-Euro 3 or whatever the cutoff point was motorcycle as a high emissions vehicle, which, let's face it, is frankly ridiculous. It was proved to be flawed with ULEZ, and I'm hoping, against hope, I don't hope, my expectation is low, but I'm hoping that they'll come up with a better system, because there's so many people who were affected by that ULEZ stupidity, and then tested their old classic motorcycles and were shown to be under the emission standard, but unless they get that certificate, they're going to be charged the same as a car. So I'm hoping, Hackney, if you're listening, that you're not going to be used the same stupid system, because it's just that stupid. God, I haven't done this journey. I don't think I've done this journey in this motorbike. I've done it before on a previous bike, but I don't think I've done it on this one. Never trust anybody. Victoria Park, everybody. So yeah, back to Hackney and their parking proposals and consultation. Why is it that people still see motorcycles as a problem rather than part of the solution? Look at all these people in their cars coming in right now. Right, the vast majority of them There's a single person in a car taking up all of that space, and when they get to where they want to go, they need to park that damn thing. I could park 3 or 4 motorcycles in the space it takes to park that one car. So why not convert regular car parking spaces, more of them, convert them to just solar motorcycle parking spaces? Surely that would make more sense than converting already existing solar motorcycle parking spaces into mixed use. In other words, hey, you can park your car here too, and that's taking out the space for 4 or 5 motorcycles. In what world does that make any sense whatsoever? If you want to reduce congestion, you want to, improve road usage, there, look, 2 motorcycles doesn't take the space that half a car would take. You need more motorcycles replacing cars, not fewer motorcycles replaced by what? A bicycle isn't always viable. A bus is just an infection vector. When you're on a motorcycle, you're completely isolated, you're wearing full PPE, you're not breathing in anybody else's germs, and you don't get stuck in traffic. When those cars stop moving and are stuck there idling, I'm filtering. Nowhere to go with this one. That's unfortunate. Plus our engines are smaller, they're much more fuel efficient. They're fuel efficient, space efficient. They're isolated, you're not going to be catching or transmitting your diseases while you're on a motorbike, whereas you would be doing if you were sharing a car or taking an Uber or doing something else.